Hello kids, welcome to our math class. Remember that in the previous class we were learning different concepts. We learned the word capacity, we learned holds more and holds less. And also in the video that you saw, we learned holds the same quantity. As we or you can learn, the containers can hold more or less liquids, or different items. So let's see what happened in the images that we are going to show you. The most important objective of this class is that you must be open-minded to learn different concepts and to deep into mathematics knowledge. Okay? Now we are going to compare containers according to their capacity. We're going to compare the containers. Let's see. For example, in this image, we can see in the first container slices of bananas, and in the other one, kiwi slices. Which one holds more and which one holds less? Very good. Here, the ones that holds the banana can holds more and this one holds less. But how do you know that if you are not watching them in front position? So let's see the next image. In this image, you can see that these containers are exactly the same and they have the same amount of content. That means that they are having the same quantity of liquids or the same quantity of food. But is there something missing? Yes. Let's see the next video. After watching the video, we can understand that according to the size of the container, it could have more or less, or it can hold more or less, quantity of items. So here I have container number 1 and container number 2. Let's see and compare which of these two containers can hold more. Which container do you think holds more? Container number 1 or container number 2? Well, and which container holds less? Okay, good answers. Now let's check if your answers are right or not. Okay, that's correct. The container that was on the right side holds more and the container that is on the left side holds less because it is smaller. And when the container is smaller, obviously it can contain less quantity of cereal. In this case, we have oat. En este caso tenemos hojuelas de avena. Y como este contenedor es más pequeño o como este recipiente es más pequeño, pues puede contener menos. Como este es más grande, puede recibir o contener más hojuelas de avena. Now, let's see if we change the container. What happened here? Miremos estos dos contenedores. Este es un contenedor y este es otro contenedor. Este contenedor es más pequeño que este contenedor. And here we're going to watch this video. Okay? Well, now we are going to continue with the next part. The next part is working in our math book, page 44. What are we going to do? Here we have 3 different flower pots, and you are going to color the containers that hold the same quantity of liquid, ¿ok? ¿Cuál de estos tres o cuáles de estos tres pueden contener la misma cantidad de líquido o la misma cantidad o pueden tener la misma cantidad en su contenido? Muy bien, chiquitos. El contenedor número 2 y el contenedor número 3 pueden tener la misma cantidad de líquido porque son del mismo tamaño y ustedes los van a colorear para indicarme o dejarme saber que ellos son los que contienen la misma cantidad. Now, with the second example, you are going to do the same. Which of these 3 can hold the same quantity or the same amount of liquid or content? And which of these 3 containers can hold the same quantity? Very good. After that, you upload it into CISO and then you go to iExcel because you can practice in iExcel like in this. I am moving a little bit and here you go to iExcel because there you can practice containers, okay? Holds more and holds less. Now, don't forget that we continue in another class. I love you so much. Kisses. Bye.